Hello, welcome back, Chef Ramy kitchen. Today I have my favorite dish. This is one of the delicious pasta, Paccheri Alla Vodka. I need some ingredients for that. I'm going to boil the pasta about 15 minutes. Same time I'm going to cut some white onions, chop nicely. Take the pan, put in extra virgin olive oil, onion, and little bit of garlic, just roughly chop. Saute about 1 minute. Pick fresh sage for the flavor. Take 1 can of tomato, just scoop from your hand and add it into the pan. After some time, I put 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, season with salt and pepper. Cook in medium heat. I'm going to add some chilli flakes and Gorbachev vodka sauce. Wow. And obviously some full cream. Cook about 1 or 2 minutes and add some butter. So I'm going to make a smooth sauce in the blender. Again, that left water I put in the pan and this add the sauce. So after 15 minutes my pasta is already cooked. Then I add into the sauce and mix it once. Add some Parmesan cheese. Then your pasta is ready. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next video. Enjoy.